Hi guys, HackeRPG. 1.2 is here. There is a lot of stuff I've added during this update, and I've made a lot of decisions related to the project. First things first, let's talk about the updates I've made during the last 3 months. Now you have 2 more weapons to fight with, the spear and the hammer. Both you can get from the chest, which might drop from any enemy you kill. Also now you won't receive any experience by killing enemies. Now you have to loot the coin that will be dropped after the kill. By the way, your coins balance will be stored between sessions so you can spend them on your talents. Talent tree has been made in the Git style where you can choose your branch and check the commits you need. Also, there are a few new enemy types. Protected worm, which will run towards you when you are close enough. Lightning bug, completely harmless enemy until you face a big enough group of them. And mortar bug, which will transform your battlefield into hell. Now about the coding. First of all, now we have a cool typing sound, which just sounds cool. That's it. Also now you can use loops in your code to provide some complex logic. I know the learning curve might be a bit hard in the game, so I've added a tactical mode which freezes the game if you do have not any commands in the queue. That should be helpful for newcomers. I've made a lot of bug fixes and optimizations besides this, but I won't describe them all. We should better talk about the Steam release. Yeah, now the game has a Steam page, where I've uploaded a free demo of the 1.2 version, which you can try right now. Then you can discuss the game in a fresh Discord server I made for the game. I'm waiting for your feedback, fellows. Now let's talk about the plans. First, I wanted to start the early access with the 1.2 version, but the learning curve of the game is too hard. So I've decided to focus on the 2.0 version, which will have a complex tutorial and documentation. I'll probably also add some new skills and enemies as well. I want to focus on how useful the game is. I want to make it something that would teach players to program the fun way. So I'll also cover some useful programming concepts in the future, but I don't want to spoil it for now. The transition from 1.1 version to 1.2 took about 3 months, but this time it won't take so much because I've made a lot of useful optimizations on my code, so that would be easy to scale it. So I hope that I'll provide the next version in a month or 2. Thanks for watching and supporting the project, guys, with your feedback and activity. I'll be grateful if you share this video and add the game to your wishlist. Let's hack together!